factory update. We have one of our teams here, and we have 2 new molds for the new model that we're developing right now, and we have a plug that was made, which is the positive image of what the finished piece is going to be, and then from that plug we made a mold. And these are actually the molds. So this is mold number 1, this is mold number 2. They're exactly the same. And before, we're starting to actually make the first actual pieces. We need 26 of these pieces to make the full pod, the bottom of the section of the pod. So we are, before this morning, this was actually all red on the inside. And now it is, you see we have a layer of gel coat, and we're starting to put the fiberglass inside, and we're rolling the resin on. So he has a roller, he's rolling it on. It's a pretty efficient process. It's like mass production for SeaPods, and it's coming along really nicely. Hopefully we'll have this ready to pull these molds. Actually these are not the molds, these are the actual sections that we're making. We'll have them ready to pull tomorrow, and well, there's 1 and 2, so I'm not sure if they'll get them done tonight, but we're hoping we will. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a closer view on this. So turn the face tracking off there. So you can see here we have some fiberglass that's already been laid down, and some resin on top of it, so it looks like this. But before the resin's put on top, it looks more like this. You can see the fiber of the fiberglass. And then over here, this is what it looks like with just the gel coat on. So it's just a white standard gel coat. And then once you put the first layer of fiberglass on, that's when it starts to look like this. And so yeah, these guys are really workhorses. They work a lot. They get the job done, which is amazing. It's exactly what we need. And they should have this done tonight, so we can probably pull the molds out tomorrow morning. And then we need to do some refinements and get them ready for actual, we're going to need to rework them a little bit to make them a little bit better, but it's a multi-step process. But the molds will be refined a little bit, and then once these 2 pieces are working perfectly, everything's lined up, all the edges line up, then we are ready to actually put this into production.